hilarious, then you must let everyone here know about it.
Isn't that better?
You always do this. Whenever you've got something you want to tell anyone, you always snigger and chuckle in your own little corner, hoping someone will come over to you and ask you what it's about. Remember last week, where you had that funny tie on and you were just shoving it in everyone's faces?
Well, it was a very funny time.
What are you texting about?
Well, my girlfriend was
Sarah?
Yes, my girlfriend Sarah.
Look, we're not 14. No one's that impressed that you've got a girlfriend. No one's that impressed that out of all the billions of women in the world, you've managed to find at least one who finds you vaguely attractive and will go on a few dates with you. I know she's your girlfriend. I saw you last week at the funny tie party.
Well, my girlfriend, Sarah, just texted me back. She's got flowers and she's pretty happy with them.
Oh. Well, that's pretty gay.
Now who's 14?
I'm being serious. You and your girlfriend always sending each other little pretty texts, sending each other flowers, going on pretty little pictures in the park. Sounds super gay to me.
Look, she's a woman.
So, remember last week when we went on a nice manly boys' day out with the lads? And you had to cancel? What for?
Cocktails with Sarah.
Oh, look at me! I'm going for a cocktail with my girlfriend! I'm going to have a pink little glass with an umbrella in it!
But afterwards, I go home and I have sex with Sarah, a woman, so it's literally the opposite of being gay.
Oh yeah, your nice vanilla missionary position sex where you spoon like a pensioner afterwards. Sounds super straight.
Literally the straightest thing you could do!
No, it's not! What about two hard, manly men going at it, mano a mano? That's super straight and not gay at all!
Wow. Maybe I should consider other options.
So what are you doing next Saturday?